So now that we talked about hear, how to hear, let's go to the acknowledge part, which is you have a choice. Recognize if you're stuck and affirm your capability to get unstuck. What does that mean? What that means is A, for acknowledge that you have a choice. Sometimes we don't even know we have a choice when we're emotionally dysregulated. Choice meaning first you ask yourself, are you stuck? Am I stuck? It's okay to say yes. Validating what you're hearing is the first step toward change. Am I stuck feeling anxious? Am I stuck feeling dread? Yeah, I am stuck. Can you get unstuck? That's the second question you ask yourself. So this isn't about knowing the solution yet. It's about empowerment and recognizing that you have a choice between your outdated beliefs and your thriving mindset. You must believe that you can get unstuck. That's why acknowledging that you have a choice is very important, because if you don't even believe that you do, that's a limiting belief, and that limiting belief won't get you unstuck. You're just going to say, oh, well, I'm always anxious. I'm always emotional. It is what it is. This is how my life is going to be. Silence. That's it. Then your inner self will just stop speaking to you. Then you'll stop hearing yourself. Then you'll stop realizing what you can do to get unstuck. Because by answering yes to this second question, you choose your thriving mindset and open yourself up to change. If you don't say yes that you can get unstuck, the change won't happen. You have to recognize. If you have to say yes to both of these questions, saying it out loud, do it. The words matter. Now, I wanted you to recall this slide from the Thriving Mindset video. If you haven't watched that video yet, I invite you to watch that. But just as a recap, the thriving mindset that I mentioned over here at the bottom is this. The definition of thriving mindset for me is that it's a way of thinking that honors our evolving inner self and outer world without following a straight path and always aligned with what matters most. That's why I'm talking about your inner self, like hearing your inner self, because that aligns with the thriving mindset.